So cloning vector is a photocopier of a segment of DNA. Now, in the segment of DNA, there are some complications. In the biotechnology, since the things are not visible to us, the DNA is not visible, chromosome नहीं दिखता था. Chromosome we can see only during metaphase stage. The other stage of the chromosomes are not to be seen under microscope. तो क्रोमोसोम नहीं दिखेगा, एंड इफ द क्रोमोसोम्स आर नॉट विजिबल, डीएनए आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, एंड डीएनए नहीं दिख रहा है तो फ्रेगमेंट ऑफ द डीएनए all the more impossible. So how will we come to know that a particular piece of a DNA has taken the foreign piece of DNA or not? So this was a very much complexity, and this was made possible by using a cloning vector. So in a cloning vector जो है we needed some specific characteristic in that. Now cloning vector जो होते हैं they are essentially plasmid. Plasmid क्या होते हैं? They are the circular DNA which are found in certain bacteria. ठीक है, तो there are some of the important property like point of origin I already explained in the previous class. वहाँ तक तो हमारे को इंटरनेट मिल गया था, and after that there was a problem on the networks. Okay, so I'll teach from the selectable marker. Now selectable marker क्या? In the PBR 322, which is the figure 11.4 given in your book. If you have got book, please open. Otherwise, I'll share. Let me share only. Why? कहाँ तुम देखने जाओगे? So this is the book. Okay. So you can see here the PBR 302 where the two pink regions are there. One is the pink that is the which is of left hand side is given ampicillin R, AMPR. ठीक है, तो that portion is resistant to the ampicillin, and the other right hand side one is a pink color, one is tetra R, TTR लिखा है, तो that is resistant for the tetracycline. That means if this PBR 322 containing microorganism, that is some bacteria is there, then it will be able to resist itself even in the ampicillin containing solution or tetracycline containing solution, because it will produce some type of chemicals, it will produce certain substances. We can nullify the effect of tetracycline and ampicillin. Then in the ampicillin region you can see there are two distinct regions are given where the PBU1 and PST1 written, and in that tetracycline region जो है there are two regions given, that is BAM H1 and SAL1. So these, what are these? These are actually the endonucleases which if those type of endonucleases are added, the four endonucleases, that is either PBU, PBU1 and PST1, or BAM H1 or SAL1, if that is been added, they will cut the DNA, this plasmid from these specific locations. ठीक है, there are other centers also given like EcoR1 and CLA1 and HIND3 and PBU2, but they are of no use. क्योंकि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? वी आर यूजिंग सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर. सो इफ द डीएनए इज बीन कट फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ दीज लोकेशन, वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक आउट बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट सी इट अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप एंड वी कैन नॉट टेस्ट इट बाय एनी अदर केमिकल मेथड. ठीक है, सो दैट इज वाई वी नीडेड some mechanism by which we can even come to know कि there is a problem. Okay, तो कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? लाइक if our body, suppose my body is there and it has got certain infection, say for example I got pneumonia, so how will I come to know pneumonia? Because it is not that you will simply like without knowing you will no sooner I go to the doctor and doctor will simply cut my intestine and see the sample. ऐसा थोड़ी होगा, और वो मेरा ब्लड निकालेंगे, सैंपल लेंगे और देखेंगे तो what test they are going to do. So there should be some symptoms, there should be some sign. Similarly, in the PBR 322 we have got some sign by which we make out that whether the piece of DNA is being taken or not taken. ठीक है, तो ये हमने एक साइन बना लिया. क्या है उसका साइन? उसको हमने कहा सेलेक्टेबल मार्कर. दैट इज इफ PST1 is used, so it will cut from this location. PST1 will cut the PBR 302 from this particular location. And if another piece of DNA which is having the same type of restriction nucleus used to cut the DNA, then they will have same complementary edges. So no sooner it is added here, और मैंने क्या बताया PST1 कह रहा है, तो PST1 is here. So it will cut like this, and suppose we got a foreign piece of DNA, जिसको मैं थोड़ा wavy बना देता हूँ just to show the difference. So this foreign piece of DNA and both these DNA are brought together. There is a likely possibility that this particular piece may come and attach it, because its end and its end are complementary to one another, so they may join together. ठीक है? Suppose it joins. DNA ligase हमने डाल दिया. Then what will happen? Since this region was making a certain chemicals which were nullifying the effect of ampicillin antibiotic. So since it has been damaged, since it has been interfered, इसके बीच में कुछ दूसरी चीज डाल दी, now it will no more be able to make that chemical, and it will no more be able to withstand against ampicillin antibiotic. So if you test it, initially when you were testing it, it was succeeding, it was surviving in the ampicillin as well as tetracycline containing medium. But now it will be able to survive in the tetracycline containing medium, but not be able to survive in the ampicillin containing medium, because you have damaged its ampicillin containing medium, ampicillin resistant medium. So it will be something like that. If you have to read this word as university, so you have to have this type of alphabet this way. ठीक है? Due to some reason आप यूनिवर्सिटी में लिख रहे थे, स्कूल में लिख रहे थे, and what happened? Univer लिख करके and the school is come in between. University. Now neither it is university nor it is school. ये तो कोई वर्ड ही नहीं है, ऐसा तो कोई वर्ड ही नहीं होता. So it will not be having any function. अगर आप सर्च कमांड लगाएंगे, so your computer will not search this word as a university, because university आपने लगाया, exactly the आपका search should be exact. Then the exact search is not there. No such word is there. Similarly, this particular segment of the nitrogen base of DNA, they were making antibiotic resistance for the ampicillin, and they could easily survive in the ampicillin containing medium. But now, due to the insertion of a foreign piece, it will no more be able to make resistance for the antibiotic ampicillin, and it will die. ठीक है? तो अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? This is one simple example of PBR 322. Thousands and thousands of such plasmids are made by the different type of combination, where the ampicillin or where the tetracycline or amoxicillin or kanamycin or any other type of antibiotic resistant segments are there. And in those segments there may be some places where a particular type of endonuclease can be used to cut the segment. Okay? So in the previous class we already studied that the two different DNA from the two different sources, if cut by using the same type of restriction enzyme, their ends will be complementary to one another, they will be brought together, they may join. So हमने वही एंजाइम लगाया PST1 और PBU1, उसको लगा करके इसको काटा और इसको काटा, now when they brought together they can join together. So this is how it can be used to select whether the piece of DNA is taken the foreign piece or not. ठीक है? So that is why they are called selectable marker. तो foreign piece लेते के साथ ये क्या हो जाएगा? Transformed हो जाएगा. So it is helping in the identification of the transformed and non-transformed variety. Now what are cloning site? Cloning site are these sites. यहाँ पे क्या था? BAM1 और यहाँ क्या था? It is the BAM1 and SAL1. इसका कोई स्पेलिंग नहीं मिलता तो ये जगह खाली है. PBU1 and PST1. इनके कोई स्टेट नहीं है, ओनली स्टेट पीवी ऊपर है। ठीक है, सो these are the places which where they can be cut using a specific restriction enzyme. They are called cloning site. हम क्लोनिंग तो इस जगह भी कर सकते हैं, हिंद 1 से हिंद 3 से काट के यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं, CLA1 से काट के यहाँ भी कर, EcoR1 से काट के यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं. बट हाउ विल वी रिकॉग्नाइज वेदर आवर पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट ऑफ द PBR 322 इज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड और नॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड? So since we will not be able to recognize, how will we go ahead with the experiments? That is why those type of restriction enzyme sites are not considered as cloning site. Cloning site are only these 4 in case of PBR 32, that is ampicillin वाली साइट में PVU1 and PSK1 and tetracycline वाली साइट में BAMH1 and SAL. ठीक है, so if your segment is there, then क्या करेगा एक्चुअली देखते हैं. The whole science is revolving around it. क्या है देखिए. First you got this type of ये PBR 322. ठीक है, PBR 322. Now first what you have to do is you have to take this PBR 322 and you have to put some E. coli in which they can be taken. ठीक है, PBR 322 के अंदर आपको क्या डालना है, E. coli डालना है. तो it may be possible that some of them may take, some of them may not take. फिर क्या करना है आपको, now you have to add a foreign piece. ठीक है, तो से फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो टेट्रासाइक्लिन बेंजीन साइट को BAM1 की जगह पे जाकर के अटैक करता है, जुड़ जाता है, तो यहाँ पर आकर के जुड़ गया. सो नाउ इट इज ट्रांसफॉर्म एंड इसने तो लिया ही नहीं, तो खाली है, इसने लिया था लेकिन इसमें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ एंड इट इज ऑल्सो ब्लैंक. ठीक है, नाउ यू गॉट टेस्ट विद एम्पिसिलिन एंड टेट्रासाइक्लिन. So when you put it into the ampicillin solution, it will survive क्योंकि ampicillin site is intact, but it will die here. It will die here only. वहाँ के बाद में छोड़े, पहले ये करेंगे. After that, the second test will be done. ठीक है, so there will be a pause. It will survive in this, and it will survive even in this. Because it has not taken that piece. BAM1 ने इसको काटा तो था लेकिन लाइगेज डालते इसने उसी को वापस जोड़ दिया. So it has not taken a foreign piece. So it is of no use. And this will also die. ठीक है, ये पहले ही मर गए तो इसके आगे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So हमारा काम का कौन सा रहा? Only this one. This is of no use. This is of no use. And this is of no use. So that means now we got transformed variety. And remember PBR 322 itself is a transformed variety, but that is now known as a vector. अब वो vector हो गया जो हमारे foreign piece को लेगा. vector क्या होता है, जो किसी चीज़ को लेता है और लेके जाता है. तो now it is a foreign piece, it is taken, so it is a vector, cloning vector it is. So only this is the cloning vector, other three are not able to taken that. So हमने इसको क्या, using a marker we could recognize that which one is transformed क्या कहते हैं cloning vector and which is not a transformed cloning vector. तो transformant and non transformant के बीच में difference कर सकते हैं using this technique. So unnecessarily suppose we one of the approach can be this कि you just put them and you think कि गया होगा, सबने ले लिया होगा, and you put them in the culture medium and try to get the product. This will not produce, it will also not produce, this will all not produce, but they will keep on using your resources. When you put in the same chapter, in the end of the chapter you will see that there are bioreactors. ये the bioreactors. तो इन द बायो रिएक्टर्स व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर पुटिंग ऑल द टाइप ऑफ कंडीशंस, सो दैट इज आपने खाने का डाल दिया उसको, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट टाइप पीएच इज रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ this viscosity is required, what is the suitable temperature, all the things you are given and you have put all these bacteria there. काम तो एक ही है, the product will be made by this only. They will be simply enjoying, relishing their food and they will also multiplying that, they are also multiplying. जब multiply हो जाएंगे तो 3 गुना तेजी से multiply होंगे. Every 20 minutes their number will increase double, their number will also increase double. तो ये पहले 3 थे, अब 6 हो जाएंगे, फिर 9 हो जाएंगे, फिर 12 हो जाएंगे और वो बेचारा 1 का 2, 1 का 2, 2 का 4, 4 का 8 इस तरह से बढ़े. So it will be simply wastage of resources. So that is why what we have to do is we have to first only clarify that what is of use and what is of not use. So that can be done by using these markers. Okay, so I think this is clear to you. अब एक और तरीका दे रखा है, this was an old technique ये प्लेटिंग का, ठीक है. जैसे प्लेटिंग, साइमल्टेनियस प्लेटिंग इट इज कॉल्ड. प्लेटिंग क्या है, मतलब इट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ वुड ब्लॉक इज देयर, सम टाइप ऑफ वुड ब्लॉक इज देयर, उस पर एक मलमल का कपड़ा लगाते हैं, उसको पहले फर्स्ट इट विल बी यूज्ड ऑन एंटीबायोटिक एंड देन इट विल बी पुट इनटू द कल्चर प्लेट एंड दोज बैक्टीरिया व्हिच डाइज they will stick to it, those which are not died that will remain in the solution. So then first you do it with the ampicillin, then you will do it with the tetracycline. So simultaneous plating में those which survive in both the cases or those which are die in both the cases, they are of no use. Those which are survive in the first and die in the second, that is what use. ठीक है. So ये एक तरीका है बताने का. Now next है vector for cloning. Vector for cloning genes means अब now you got this transformed DNA. ठीक है. ये आपका प्लाज्मिड पहला वाला नॉर्मल प्लाज्मिड ऐसा था और आपका ट्रांसफॉर्म प्लाज्मिड कैसा हो गया ना, दिस इज योर ट्रांसफॉर्म प्लाज्मिड वेदर टेट्रासाइक्लिन साइड जो है. अच्छा पहले तो अपन को वो पढ़ना है इंसर्शनल इनएक्टिवेशन. दिस इज डिफरेंट एंड दिस इज ट्रांसफॉर्म. इट इज नॉट ट्रांसफॉर्म and this is transformed. ठीक है. एक और तरीका है, ये प्लेटिंग वेटिंग बहुत झंझट का काम है. तो यहाँ पे लिखा है, देखिए क्या है, देखिए selection of recombinant due to the inactivation of antibiotic is a cumbersome procedure because it requires simultaneous plating of two plates having different type of antibiotic. पहले ampicillin से करो. See, you have to remember that when we are used this side तो हम ampicillin के मतलब ampicillin survive करेगा उसमें. अगर उल्टा होता the piece of the DNA we are adding into the ampicillin side, so it would have survived in the tetracycline but it would have died in the ampicillin. So that much of knowledge तो अपन आपको समझ ही आ गया होगा by the forthcoming discussion. ठीक है. तो यहाँ simultaneous plating is required for the two plate having the different type of antibiotic. Therefore, alternative selective markers have been developed. बोले कहाँ उसको, और वो मरेंगे नहीं मरेंगे कहाँ देखेंगे अपन, कैसे पता करेंगे वो मर गए कि नहीं, पता नहीं मरे, दूसरा कल्चर करा के देखना पड़ेगा एंड ऑल. सो वो एक कम्बरसम प्रोसेस है एंड देन यू विल हैव टू वेट फॉर अ लॉन्ग और एटलीस्ट 20-30 मिनट्स आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. तो इसके बजाय ये वाला प्रोसेस क्या है, देयरफॉर ऑल्टरनेटिव सेलेक्टिव मार्कर हैव बीन डेवलप्ड विद which differentiate recombinant from the non-recombinant on the basis of their ability to produce color in presence of chromatogenic substance. So if they are placed in a chromatogenic substance, they will produce a color. That means recombination has taken place or not taken place, vice versa, depending on the different type of chemicals present in them. ठीक है. तो यहाँ एक एग्जाम्पल दे रखा है. इन दिस recombinant DNA is inserted within the coding sequence. लगा दिया अपन ने, और क्या लगाया, an enzyme beta galactosidase is added to it, है ना. तो क्या होगा, दिस रिजल्ट इन द इंसर्शनल इनएक्टिवेशन. ये इंसर्शनल इनएक्टिवेशन जो ये बना रहा था टेट्रासाइक्लिन का वो अब नहीं बनाएगा, इनएक्टिवेट हो गया वो. ठीक है. सो विच इज रेफर्ड एज द इंसर्शनल इनएक्टिवेशन. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्रोमेटोजेनिक सब्सटेंस गिव्स ब्लू कलर विद दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल ओनली. ओके. जब आप बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज लगा रहे हैं और वो मान लीजिए टेट्रासाइक्लिन वाली साइड पे लगा रहे हैं, तो उसके कारण अगर हो रहा है तो वो ब्लू कलर दे रहा है. ठीक है. सम अदर केमिकल इज यूज, सम अदर कलर विल कम. Okay, so you just remember that. So the presence of chromatogenic substance gives blue color if the colonies of the plasmid in the bacteria does not have insert. Then does not have insert, they will give blue color. And if the color is no color is there, that means the insert is there. तो इसको इन तीन से कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकेंगे हम? Then bacteria can be seen under microscope, so you can just simply separate them. Okay, so this is a much simple method. Here you need not to do the plating, you need not to wait for whether they are dyed or not dyed, you do not have to see the further generation and all. तो वो बहुत जो काफ़ी सारा टाइम लग रहा था आपका वो बच जाएगा. And now the fourth one is vector for the cloning gene in the plant or animal. This transformed PBR322 or this type of vectors, cloning vector which you obtained, that will function only when it is transferred into another cell. ठीक है, because from this cell is already dead. ये cell तो आपने देखा it is dead. So from here तो it cannot function. Now it has to be removed from here. Again we will have to take those processes. पहले protease enzyme में डालेंगे. If it is bacteria, the first will the forthcoming sections we will study. If it is a bacteria, first we will have to put lysozyme so that the cell wall dissolves, and then protease so that the cell membrane dissolves. Then this particular chromosome will come out. The chromosome को again RNAs and protease में dissolve करेंगे so that the RNA, protein and all will remain. Then only DNA comes, and then it will be inserted into the next bacteria to get a product from it. ठीक है. Now how will it insert? कहने का तो आपने ऐसे कहा जैसे प्लाज्मिड को बैक्टीरिया के साथ में रख दिया और प्लाज्मिड ले लेगा उसको. DNA is quite a big molecule. And only the water soluble things can easily pass through the cell membrane, not the molecules like this. ठीक है, फैट soluble, water soluble चीज़ें हैं हम जिसके लिए they got some receptor proteins are there. Those substances can be taken in or given out, but not a plasmid which is quite a big in size. That will not come through the membrane in. So you will have to make some mechanism, some arrangement, some changes you have to do. Some technique you have to use. तो यहाँ पे जो एक टेक्निक है वो है disarming वाला. Then the fourth section देखिए क्या है. You may be surprised to know that you have learned in the lesson of transferring the gene into the plant and animal from bacteria and viruses which are known for the ages. We have studied in that chapter of human health, and we have studied there are some of the virus which can enter in our body, and they can send. Virus doesn't enter, they just simply send their genome, which may have cancer causing gene or which may have some other gene. ठीक है, तो ये तो हमको पता है. How to deliver the gene of transformed eukaryotic cell and force that to do the what bacteria or virus want. So when a virus used to send its DNA, then its DNA had to align with the DNA of the host cell, and then it used to start making the substances which is actually required by the virus. ठीक है, तो फॉर एग्जांपल एक नया एग्जांपल दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबिफैशियंस. एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबिफैशियंस इज अ बैक्टीरिया. नाम से ही आ रहा है एग्रोबैक्टीरियम, तो बैक्टीरिया में लगेगा ना, फंगाई में थोड़ी लगेगा. तो एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबिफैशियंस, this is a pathogen bacteria which actually infects some of the dicot plants. So when it enters in the dicot plant, it sends its DNA. Which DNA? tDNA. Not the bacteria whole bacteria is entering. Bacteria is outside of it. What it is sending? It is sending an envelope of tDNA. ये रख लो सब आप. So that means it has got some mechanism to dissolve a portion of the cell wall and cell membrane and make a lesion, and from there it will be sending this tDNA causing DNA, मतलब tumor causing DNA segment. And when this tumor causing DNA will go and attach to their DNA, तो वो क्या करेगा, वो ट्यूमर कॉज करेगा. So which causes tumor, the cell will grow, and then many such cells will produce, and then they will produce a particular type of chemical which for that the gene is there in the tDNA, and that chemical is actually used by their survival. हमने क्या किया? What we have done, the tDNA causing gene is been separated. The tumor causing portion of the tDNA is cut, eliminated, and the gene of our interest is added with it. ठीक है. सो अब क्या होगा, आपने देखा होगा ना, कई सारे लोग क्या होगा, डांस वांस करना चाहते हैं तो दे जस्ट वांट टू ऐड सम सेगमेंट्स. मतलब आपने 2 गाने ले लिए, पहला गाने का एक पोर्शन हटाया, उसमें दूसरा गाना घुसा दिया. ठीक है. एंड जब आपने सॉन्ग का नाम दिया तो आपने कहा था हिप हॉप, या आपने गाने का नाम दे दिया बट बीच में कुछ और ही, या इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग बीच में कुछ डायलॉग आ रहे थे एंड यू जस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एडिटर यू सिंपली रिमूव दोज डायलॉग एंड ऑल एंड यू जॉइन द 2 segment to ends together. So that we are always doing. That somewhat same type of thing is there. That the DNA is there. DNA has some harmful segment. You have to just cut, remove that harmful segment and join those. And then you are added even the gene of your interest in it. And now it is sent into the bacteria. Now bacteria क्या करेगा? Whenever it will send the tDNA, so tDNA will because it has got all the other mechanism, how to enter in a cell, how to dissolve cell wall, how to dissolve cell membrane, and how to enter in it, and how to dissolve the nuclear membrane and go and attach with the cell, that is their chromosome. तो वो सारा प्रोसेस तो उसके पास है, पर वो क्या कर रहा था, दैट वाज कॉजिंग ट्यूमर. वी हैड टू जस्ट एलिमिनेट द ट्यूमर कॉजिंग जीन. So that we did, and we added our gene of interest. So this is how our gene of interest will enter in it. So this is the method Agrobacterium tumefaciens we will be using for all the plants, and it's one of the application we will study in chapter 12 when we will be studying the cure of nematodes. ठीक है, निमेटोडा इन्फेक्शन को हटाने के लिए. तो ये एग्रोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूमेफेशियंस हमारे काम आए. द अनदर method is here, that is there are some viruses, retroviruses or some viruses which have an ability to cause cancer. So what these viruses do, these viruses what they are doing, they are entering into the cell, they are able to send their DNA or RNA into our body, and then they can cause cancer or the other type of effect. हमने क्या करा, वो वायरस को पकड़ लिया, उस वायरस का DNA we had transformed, we added the harmful effect causing DNA segment is removed and the gene of our interest is added. अब बैक्टीरिया को क्या, वायरस को क्या मालूम है कि इससे कैंसर होता है कि नहीं होता है ना. सो इट विल बी सिंपली डूइंग इट्स नॉर्मल फंक्शन. इट विल बी व्हेनेवर इट कम्स इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द ह्यूमन बॉडी, इट विल गो, it will send its DNA and that will multiply, that will go and attach to their human क्या कहते हैं chromosomes, and then it will start multiplying there. All other function can be same, but हमने क्या करा, वो कैंसर कॉज करने वाला पोर्शन वहाँ से निकाल दिया. तो these are 2 simple methods by which we can deliver the gene of our interest into the body of plant or animal. ठीक है. Other 2 methods or other 4 methods we will study in the tomorrow's class. That is all for today. Okay children, thank you.
Thank you.